So today we going to learn numbers of patterns and alphabets of patterns. Okay. So I share my screen front of you. You have to everyone concentrate on the screen and see properly how the patterns we going to observe, going to identify and solve the patterns. Okay. Welcome to the maths class. In the previous lecture, we already seen the shapes of patterns, colors of patterns, the different shapes, how two shapes are over and over again comes in a repeating over and over again comes and we get the pattern. Also colors patterns also there. Okay. In that this page number 16. Sorry, page number 15. In that there are some shapes of patterns we already seen. The below triangle, above triangle, below triangle, above triangle. Yeah. What we call down triangle, up triangle, down triangle, up triangle, down triangle, up triangle, down triangle. Same way the triangle, rectangle, triangle, rectangle, triangle, rectangle. Okay. Vertical rectangle, horizontal rectangle, vertical rectangle, horizontal rectangle. So with these patterns are over and over again repeating, it is called a patterns. Here we can see the different colors of pattern. Green ball, red ball, green ball, red ball. So what pattern will come? Again green ball, red ball, green ball, red ball. Same way the bat, yellow bat, blue bat, yellow bat, blue bat. So the patterns are over again repeating. It is a yellow bat, blue bat, yellow bat, blue bat. Okay, orange scale, green scale, blue scale, then orange, green, blue, orange, green, blue. So this way everyone come to know the colors of patterns and the shapes of pattern. So today we going to learn a different alphabets of patterns and the numbers of patterns. Okay, so I draw over here some alphabets. You have to identify the which pattern is there. Okay, A, capital A, small a. Okay, capital B, small b, capital C, small c. So do you know what pattern will come next? Which alphabets will come next? Everyone know? Just observe this pattern, patterns of alphabets. Capital A, small a. Capital B, small b. Capital C, here some mistakes is there. Capital C, small c. Okay. So what will come the next alphabets? Yes, Aradhya, very good, very nice. Okay, so it will become the capital D, small d. Then what will come? Capital E, small e. So these patterns are over and over again comes. It is called a number alphabets of pattern. A, B, C, D, E, F. Then what will come? F, capital F, small f. Capital G, small g. Capital H, small h. Capital I, small I. Capital K, small k. Okay. Capital L, small l. This way we have to complete the pattern over and over again comes. Okay. So I hope these patterns everyone understand. I give you another example to you to identify the patterns. Okay. Other students are give me an answer. Give me an answer in a chat box. It's a very good. Yes. Yes, beta. J आता है, correct. I के बाद J आता है. Correct, correct. Very good. Now next we going to see the again alphabets. See, I draw over here. I write over here. A, A, B, B, C, C. So what will come next? What will come next? Just tell me. Give me an answer in a chat box. What come next? A, B, B, C, C. What will come? Yes, Reyansh. Very good, Reyansh Rokade. Both the capital D. D, D. Okay. D, D. Then E, E. Then F, F. G, G. H, H. Okay, so there are a different patterns are there. There are different, yes, G, G, H, H, I, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N, O, O, P, P. So same way that these patterns are over and over comes again. These patterns are repeating over and over comes again. It is called a patterns. It is called a patterns. Okay, so I write over here another pattern, different kind of patterns. Okay, the pattern is A, B, C. Again A, B, C. Again A, B. So tell me which pattern will come. A, B, then what will come? Yes, students, what will come? Yes, very good, Rajan. Very good, Spruha. Capital C will come. C. Then again A, B, then C. Again A, B, C. So these patterns are A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C. These three alphabets are repeating over and over again. It is called the alphabets of patterns. So I hope everyone understand the alphabets of patterns. So let me go forward to see a numbers of pattern. Okay, numbers of pattern. I write it over here, the numbers, some numbers, you have to identify that number. Okay, I write over here 0, 1, 1, 0. So what will come over here? Just tell me. What will come? 0, 1, 1, 0. Then again, what come? How time 1 come? How many times 1 come? Yes, Priya, very good. 2 times 1 come. 1, 1, 0. 1, 1, 0. Same way. 1, 1, 0. 1, 1, 0. 1, 1, 0. So this way that 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So these numbers are repeating over and over again. It is called a numbers of pattern. You have to just identify firstly the whatever, for example, is given to you, that observe properly and you will get the answer. Now over here I draw over here 1, 2, 3, 4. What will come next? You have to observe. Here is the sequence of the numbers. Here is the sequence of the number. 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4, what number will come? 5. After 5, 6. After 6, 7. After 7, 8. After 8, 9, 10, 11. So these numbers are continuously go on a sequence. These numbers are continuously go on a sequence. Yes, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. It's a go on. Repeating over and over again. It is a called a pattern. Now next pattern, okay, I write it over here. 2, 4, 6, 8. What will come next? Just observe this pattern. 2, then 4 is given, then 6 is given, then 8 is given. So what we'll understand over here? Each numbers, they add the 2. They add the 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Okay. So this way we can identify. This is the also table of 2. This is also a table of 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. Same way, 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 plus 2, 16. Okay. So what we get, even we add the two numbers in each number, then also we get the same pattern, and also we read the table of 2, then also we get the same pattern. So this way we have to identify first. We just observe properly all the patterns and then we going to solve. Okay, now next pattern is, we can see over here, 1 3 7. 1 3 7. So just tell me what number will come after the 7. What number will come after the 7? Yes, very good, Prayag. After 7, one number will come. After 1, what number will come? After 1, 3 number. Very good. Very good, Reyansh. Very good. Very good, Shravani. Rohan. Very nice. After 1, 3 number will come. After 3, what number will come? After 3, 7 number will come. Then again we can repeating same kinds of pattern. 1 3 7. 1 3 7. So this way we getting a 1 3 7, 1 3 7, 1 3 7, this kind of pattern. Understand? Now let me go forward to see one more example of pattern. Okay, I'll give you one example of patterns. The question is, the example is 7 8 7 8. What will come next? After 8, what number will come? 7 or 8? Yes, very good, Spruha. 7 number will come. After 7, what number will come? Yes, very good, Dhaval, Aradhya. Yes, Ayansh. After 7, 8 number will come. Then again 7, then again 8. 7 8 7 8 7 8 7 8. So this is the pattern of 7 8 7 8 7 8 7 8. Okay. Now next. Now we can see over here another example of pattern, that is a 9 8 7 6. So you can observe this pattern. This pattern is a reverse order. This pattern is a reverse order. 9 8 7 6. So what will come after 6? Which number will come? Yes, Rajan. Yes, Shravani. Very good. Very good, Spruha. After 6 will come. वैसे देखा जाए तो after 6 we get the 7 number, but here the pattern is the reverse order. The pattern is the reverse order. So we have to count the backward number. We have to count the backward number. Just 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this way we get the numbers of patterns. So everyone understand the numbers of patterns? If you understand, please give me a thumb, or if you are understand, please put a Y in a chat box. Okay? If you understand, so let me go forward. Solve a small assignment of numbers. Okay? I unmute one of the student. That student will give me an answer. Here the some clue also given to us. Anushka, I unmute you, Anushka. Yajat, Yajat Jadhav, I unmute you.
Yeah.
Yes, Yajat, in your screen there is some numbers are there, and also they gives us a clue to us. Okay?
Yeah.
The numbers are is the reverse order. 14, 12, 10, then what we don't know what will come. Then 6 is given, but in green balloon we don't know what is the number is come. Okay, so we have to observe that pattern. We have to observe that number pattern and see what number will come. So here they gives us one clue, that is a -2. That is a -2. They gives us the -2. It means the 14 minus 2. 14 minus 2, what the answer get? 12. 12 minus 2, what the answer get? 10. So you have to do 10 minus 2. What answer will come?
8.
What?
8.
8. Very good. So 12 minus 2, answer will get a 8. Correct. So 8 minus 2, we get a 6 number. And 6 minus 2, what will come? 6 minus 2, what will come?
4.
Yes, very good, very good. The answer will get a 4. So this way we have to solve the numbers of pattern. Okay, thank you, beta. Now one more examples we going to solve. Okay, I unmute one of the student. That student will give me answer. Rest of the students, please mute your. Okay, Mohit. Mohit, I unmute you, Mohit.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Mohit. Now you can see in your screen there is the some numbers are there in different class, in different torans are there. Okay, so you have to just see the orange rectangle, orange triangle, green triangle, orange triangle, green triangle, orange triangle, green triangle. But in that triangles they have given some numbers to us.
Yes.
Okay, so we have to identify that numbers. Okay, so we can see, we can observe over here. 6 6 plus how much will get answer? So here also 10 is there. Okay, so we can find out the answer from here. Okay, we can find out the answer from here. The 14 plus how much to get the answer 16? 14 में कितना ऐड करेंगे तो आंसर 16 आता है? Yes, Mohit? Yes, 14 plus 2. 14 plus 2. So 14 plus 2 करेंगे, so we get the answer 16. So same way we get the clue. We have to add the number 2. We have to add the number
2.
6 plus how much? 6 plus 2, what answer will get?
6 plus 2, 8.
8. Very good. 8. So 8 plus 2, get the answer 10. So 10 plus 2, how much? 10 plus 2,
12.
12. So we get the answer 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Correct?
Yes.
Yes, very good, very good. Well done. Everyone clap for Mohit. Everyone clap for Mohit. Thank you, Mohit.
Thank you, teacher.
Welcome. Now mute yourself.
Why are you crying?
Move forward to solve another sum, that is the second sum. The sum we can see. I unmute another students. Reyansh, I unmute you. Reyansh Rokde, I unmute you.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Reyansh, in your screen, there is some numbers are given, but we will go backward number. Huh? See, here is the 55 is given, and then after the 55, direct 60 number is given to us. Direct 60 number is given to us. So, how much difference? Yes, very good. आप तो बहुत ही intelligent हो. 65. We will get the answer 65. How we get the answer 65? Because the difference between the 55 and 60 is the 5. So we have to add the number 5. 60 plus 5, 65. 65 plus 5, 70. 70 plus 5, 75. Then 70 plus 5, how
80.
80. Very good. 75 plus 5, we get the answer 80. Everyone clap for Reyansh. Everyone clap for Reyansh. Thank you, Reyansh. Now I unmute another student. That student will give the answer. Very good. Ishwari. Ishwari, I unmute you. Wait, Ishwari, I unmute you. Yes, Ishwari. Ishwari. Okay, Ishwari, in your screen, the third is given to us. 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6, what answer? How much number we add? We get the 3 plus 6. 3 plus 3, we add number 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus how much? 9 plus 12. Very good. 12 plus 3, we getting a 15 answer. Then 15 plus 3, 15 plus 3, just count. 15 के आगे 3 count करो. 16, 17, 18. Yes, very good. Okay. So this way we have to solve the numbers of patterns. Okay, here is given to us 30, 40. After 30 will come 40. After 40 will come 50. Then 60. Then 70. Okay. Now, Romina, you can see. All the students you can see. Here is also a backward number. Here also a backward number. So we can see 5, 6. After 5 will come 6. After 6 will come 7. After 7 will come 8. After 8 will come 9. So this way we going to solve a numbers of patterns. So I hope everyone understand the numbers of patterns. Everyone understand? Yes, na?